Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're tired of wondering what to eat and want to stay fit without spending hours in the kitchen, this video is for you. Today I'll show you how I prep all my healthy meals for the week. It saves time, money, and keeps me on track with my fitness goals. Let's get started. First things first, we need a game plan. Planning your meals for the week is key. Keep it simple. Choose your favorite healthy dishes, and don't be afraid to repeat meals for efficiency. Make sure each meal has protein, carbs, fats, and fiber for balance. That's how you stay full, energized, and ready to crush your day. With our meal plan ready, it's time to hit the grocery store. Make a detailed list. This is your treasure map. Stick to the list and avoid those tempting aisles. Focus on fresh, whole foods that fuel your body. Pro tip: buy in bulk to save money and cut down on shopping trips. Now let's get cooking. Set aside a couple of hours and batch cook as much as you can. While your chicken bakes, roast veggies and simmer grains at the same time. Maximize your kitchen power. Efficiency is the name of the game. Time to divide and conquer. Use airtight containers to portion out balanced meals for each day. Label them by day to stay organized, and prep snacks like cut fruits, veggies, or nuts. Having healthy options ready means you'll avoid reaching for junk food. Congrats, you've conquered meal prep. Now just reheat, enjoy, and watch how much time and money you save. That's my meal prep routine. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know if you want a vegetarian version next. Stay healthy and keep shining.